Within JSP's range, we have core products that are both injection moulding and blow molding, our strongest of which is the premium one, which is the Titan barrier, which we have here, which has chapter 8 compliance throughout with the handrail, the tapping rail compliant, and then also the reflective strip. The difference then you get across the range is whether one's premium or entry level. With the Titan being the premium model, we have the extra struts for the 110mm gap as part of BS 7818. We have an extra handle for the guys to move around. You also have the ability to have this in a variety of colours that you may need, and also to mark the product and emboss it with labelling or hot foil embossing at the back, which is a permanent feature and cannot be removed, all within how we will price you the product. The other options we then give you are to do with the barrier feet. You can have a full spectrum of choice, whether a full foot, an anti-trip foot, a high-vis anti-trip, or even a painted foot should you wish. All of that can be built for you within that range for it. Other real things we need to consider is how strong this barrier is. It's manufactured from a high-impact polypropylene, which means we actually guarantee you can drive across this with a small vehicle and it won't break. Unlike any blow-molded barrier, which we make, you cannot do this with any other type. Part of what you get is because the strength of the product, which is highlighted here, this is where all the force is applied through the feet and any loading. So when you see barriers that have broken feet or barrier foot connectors that are foot, this is why you don't see this with the Titan. It's all high impact polypropylene and the forces are projected through the whole barrier. Makes it very, very strong and sets it apart from anything else in the market. So what we move forward to is making sure that we've matched your needs with everything you may require. That includes ballasting for barriers. So we give you a ballast weight, which you will see here on the one I've got here. This is the painted version of the ballast weight. This adds 6.5 kilos per weight, and when we apply them to the barrier, we can go well beyond the Scotland requirement of 40 miles per hour. So, real big feature of what we do with this item. One thing we'll run through with you is the feature of the clip. It comes with every barrier. When it's stored in use, when you receive it, it's tucked out of the way to protect it. When it's in full use here, it's actually locked, so members of the public cannot access through this area. As an operator on site, they'll know how to open and close it. It's a unique feature to JSP and fully patented. We then move forward. They're all got stacking features on the back, so they're all locked together when you move them alternately. And then we move forward to why we recommend this for any long-term use. Mainly used by hire companies, big utility companies and tier 1 contractors who want long life on a product. We have Titan barriers that have been in use for over 18 years. Which shows the quality of the product, quality of the finish that JSP give you, and how long you'll get on your return on investment. That's the Titan, isn't it?